Can you say this simple word correctly? It's pronounced.
Givenchy.
Let's break it down.
Most people say it wrong as Givenchy, but the correct way in French is Givenchy. Notice how the G turns into a soft J sound and the middle is smooth. Givenchy. Now let's practice it together 3 times. Ready? Givenchy, Givenchy, Givenchy. Did you get it right each time? If yes, you just spoke it like a Parisian.
Got it? Let's practice it together. Repeat after me.
Givenchy, 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 Givenchy.
Now it's your turn. Drop a comment if you nailed it or if you need more tips. Subscribe for more pronunciation guides. And here's a fun challenge. Record yourself, post it, and tag us.